Hello everyone, this is CA Ravi Taori and I am making this video specially for Navkar students. Guys, we all know that it's a pandemic situation and you must be facing different types of problems. Some of you must be worried about the health, some of you must be worried about family, some of you must be worried about the business, and a lot of uncertainties must be going on. But guys, there's a famous saying, this should also pass. Yes guys, they should also pass. So in this situation, I will suggest that it's very important to keep going in whatever circumstances, whatever manner, whatever speed you can do that. To keep going is extremely important. And as a student, it's very important to keep going, to keep studying. Now, Navkar has been very proactive. As soon as lockdown was announced, they came up with their app on a large scale and they reached students and started providing video lectures to them. They have already provided a lot of video lectures and notes in soft copy to students so that students should keep studying on continuous basis. They should keep going. And we also understand that many students, they want lectures in full English, and we are committed for that. We are going to provide you lectures in full English. I am faculty of audit and I am going to provide you lectures in full English. Yes, we are doing that. They are under process. We planned for it. We finished our earlier commitments. Now we are in the process of making English lectures also. And I am giving you commitment that I am going to give it to you by end of July. Yes guys, by end of July, and most probably before that only. Most probably before that. I am giving commitment from my side, and I have made this video so that you also understand, you also know that we are working behind the scene. In this pandemic situation, in whatever resources, whatever facilities we are having, with the help of that only, we are preparing fresh lectures for you, recently recorded lectures for you, which will be fully amended. I am planning 60-hour lectures which is going to cover almost all the complete audit, and they will be very helpful for you to revise your subject, to study this subject, and we will be giving it to you on continuous basis. Once we have recorded enough lectures, you will be getting those lectures on daily basis. On daily basis, you will be getting those lectures. Yes, on daily basis, you will be getting those lectures. You will be getting it soon. And I am talking about the completion. I am talking about completion. It will be completed, correct, by 31st of July for sure. So guys, till that time, we already have some of our lectures which are in Hindi English mix, so you can use that. We have our notes also, or you can focus on the other subjects, correct? And by the time you finish off other lectures, you will be having audit lectures also. So guys, don't be worried. We are with you, and we'll be providing you all the lectures in English also. That was the most important message which we wanted to convey from this particular video. Thank you.